I'm redoing my lighters. I got all type of lighters. I got a whole lot of collections. The plans I'm keeping. I'm probably gonna get like a little display for like the ones like these. Got some pretty cool. I'm gonna put them to the side. Like this one too. Netflix and chill. Let's see, I don't got the biggest big collection, but I got some pretty cool. Look at this one. I got some pretty cool lighters. Like for real. I believe that's whoever did it probably. Focus. I guess. Oh no, that's the sticker. But yeah, this one of my favorite ones right here. And this the whole lighter leaf. This just a black lighter. Put that over there. This one right here got smoke on it. This one right here pretty cool. It's another one of my favorite ones. The all aces. Some of these be good tattoos too, but this right here was my favorite because I love music. Got the cassette tape. And got old school on it. Y'all see that? Old school. One of my favorite ones too. This one is one of my favorites. I love aces. It's got like the whole gambling chip and shit on it. And stuff. Like this one, like graffiti. This is all the one. This a double up. This kind of like that one a little bit. This one right there, like a little Hawaii, aloha vibe. Bob Marley, yes sir. You always got to have your Bob Marley lighter. That's just common sense. This right here, a rose lighter. Oh yeah, this is one of my favorites too. I love skulls. I told you some of these would be good tattoos too, but another card. Yeah, do I got two of those? Yep, I do. Wow, I didn't know that. You got two of those. I must really like that design. Oh, this one of my favorite ones too. Flick my BiC. I kind of like that. I like that one on Netflix and chill. Let's see if I got any more. I believe. Oh, I got this one. This one of my favorite ones too. God Bless America. With the ball eagle. I believe all these are basic lighters. Yep, all those are basic lighters. But yeah, that's like all my signature lighters right there. I got some pretty good ones. Like I said, I don't got the biggest one, but I do got some very cool lighters. And I got a lot of BiCs.